Hey guys, we're visiting one of my clients, AAA Distributor. I have one of the executives here, Igor, and today we're shooting a video commercial about their enterprise. Igor, your warehouse is packed.
Well, we need customers to come and buy things from us because, as you guys see, with the supply chain issues, we don't have any supply chain issues. We have everything in stock. We have kitchen cabinets, shower doors, vanities. Everything's ready to roll. You can come in, have your kitchen designed, and you can pick up your merchandise the same day.
Igor, you have quite a plentiful stock of kitchen cabinets.
We have a lot of things to sell, and that's why, we trust Media Components. I think I worked with Media Components for well over 12, 15 years. We had a lot of projects together. The company that I ran before was a furniture company, so it's kind of similar to kitchen cabinets, but very different category. And Dennis's company was a huge part in that success and the exit of that company. And right now we're kind of taking on this behemoth, trying to focus on kitchen and bath products, and definitely excited that we're going to be working with Media Components and his entire team, actually. Graphic designers, SEO people, video people right now.
So we're here today shooting a professional video commercial that overviews the entire enterprise and also tells the customer what separates AAA Distributor from other kitchen distributors and manufacturers. So partnering with AAA and the Media Components team, we're going to be creating a strategic campaign for next year. We want to make sure we push your products online and also drive local traffic to the showroom, because you have beautiful showroom.
We're excited with this partnership because I think it's going to bring a lot of traffic, not just from the local customers that know us in this area in Northeast Philadelphia, but with your help, we're going to be able to expand to other markets. We can go into New Jersey, New York markets. Is very important right now. We're starting to see that where people are not paying as much attention to billboards, they're paying more attention to digital advertising. They're looking at digital assets that companies like Media Components can provide. We're looking to actually build more and more content with Media Components, doing videos, photos, 3D photo shoots, so things like that. I'm very excited about it. I'm a technology person, as you know.
I'm very excited about what next year holds, and I wish you nothing but success.
Let's do it.
And let's make it happen.